It is the first I've been able to cut the bread and it don't stick up so much. Half an hour?
It is Tuesday and I am at work.
Hello loves, we are finally making the bread. Alright, so I have all of my ingredients, my flour, yeast. I'm using sugar today instead of honey because my honey they go down. I normally use a quarter cup of honey in the recipe that I use. I'm going to use a little less than quarter cup of sugar because I find this to be sweet and I don't want my bread to be too sweet, to be very honest. I'm not going to make the cinnamon rolls because I'm going to drink coffee milk again. So let me get started. I actually got this recipe off Instagram. I'll link the account that I got it from. Well, in terms of put her name on the screen because credit is due. The water too hot. So the water should be at least is what 41 degrees Celsius. I don't know how much Fahrenheit that means. Put up on the screen just in case you use Fahrenheit. What I have here is much too hot. Yeah, look at hair. This is what it looks like now. I hope I don't sleep it out because that is a problem too. I'd like to wear it like this tomorrow or maybe until Wednesday. I don't know. Let me see how it go. And Vaseline on my face. I fluctuate. I go between this and the facial oil that I make, but yeah. Thank to God. So they're not dead. The water is too hot, they die. If the water is too cold, they die. You understand? You stun them. We don't want them stunned. And we are going to leave it to bloom for 10 to 15 minutes. See? Okay. So it's supposed to look like this all over. I guess I actually killed some of the yeast, but it will rise, just not as much as I would have hoped. And we'll continue because it's been 15 minutes. No matter what order I have, answer. The second one was not keeping. I don't normally use a thingy here. So let me go for my actual spoon. Virgin and friends, I had to go back to the recipe to see if I did something wrong. Because this is the most perfect my dough has looked. But I know it needs, because it's tearing easily, I know it needs to be formed more. I have a lot of needing to do. This is the part where, it get rough. I normally I flour my surface, so I have more area to work with, but I think I have a little bit more control in the bowl. So it's been an hour. It hasn't really doubled in size, but since I didn't need it as much, I'm going to just fold it over. Yay! Fold it over a few times on itself. It's still warm. I think it is the first I've been able to cut the bread and it don't stick up so much. Like, I think this is heavier. Should I weigh? This is much heavier. I don't want it to be uneven. Let cut off a little piece more and join it. So me need it to like 18 minutes. Barrel them set like half an hour by hand or until you stretch the flour, the dough and it's thin. But not in time there. My hand hurt me. I actually injured my arm. I sleep bad funny. Something wrong with it. However, so right now I'm stressed out. So I'm gonna grease my pans and put my dough inside. Leave that to proof. But I like to make it proof for like 2 hours before I actually bake it. It's a long process. I will tell you all that much. This is what it looks like now. You notice it tears easily. I may not have the time. But because now what I can do, because I can actually overlay, is leave it and every half an hour for like 2 minutes I come and fold it like 6 times. No, so ugly, right? It go rise. Time to let it proof 2 more hours and that is going to make it 11 o'clock. We are at the 1 hour mark and I think I'm going to leave it for half an hour more. This one has risen wonderfully as well. Let's see if I can make some cutting nice and then I put it back for half an hour. And then we bake it. We're going to bake it for like 25-30 minutes depending. Right now I don't even know if the gas can reach so long. Alright, so even though I am so drowsy, I'm just going to, my teeth feel dirty because I had a lot of starchy food today. But if I brush my teeth, it's signaling to my body that it's time to sleep and I will genuinely fall asleep and forget about the thing. I'm gonna want it. As a matter of fact, I turn off the light and tell myself so I'm gonna get up and don't get up. So I'm going to work on the emails that I should have sent out from May, well, a month now, to my subscribers. I had the templates and everything ready. I just didn't actually finish designing the emails. So we're good at that. And I have some things in the office. I started straightening up, but I never actually shown that part because I just had a burst of energy and jumped up and do it. Unfortunately, I'm not able to film everything. Cause I'm not used to that. You understand? I'm not probably tired of the chatting. Fix up this. These are the bear oils. Look here. And long time to take put with them so here. The girl's been slacking, man.
This set is Goddess Unleashed and it was one of the first sets I launched for my lingerie line.
The internet has been in and out. As you can see, I am in my nightgown. I flossed and then brushed my teeth. Cause as I say, immediately me got drop asleep. Were my eyes closed just now? There is 5 minutes left on the clock before I can take the bread out the oven. When me tell you I'm tired, me sleepy, but all for the cause, all for homemade bread. So as me take it out and show now, I'm gonna brush my teeth. No, I can brush my teeth first, take it out and show now. I come treating our baby. By that time that the sleep will kick in. Yes. No, it's not done. pretty. Whoops, this almost drop. See the little curve? Mega brush my teeth. I don't feel like more brush my teeth again. I feel like I must taste a slice with some of the butter. Yes.
I remember saying that I would never do a video over 15 minutes for YouTube because that is way too long. And what, girls and guys, my last video was 50 minutes and this one, I'm hoping it doesn't get so long. This week was not going to be as eventful, hopefully. And yeah, man, yeah, my word them now. So I made bread yesterday, as you guys would have seen. Oh, it is Monday. Happy Monday, lovers. And my mole keep, you know, on the seats. My mole keep. Those wraps are awesome. They are phenomenal. Okay. And I'm gonna look at some things. I think this is how I'm going to go to work tomorrow. Yes. I'm gonna forget rid of that. I come here. It irritate my soul. This week is not going to be very eventful. Maybe not. I have 2 meetings scheduled this week and the other 2 days, I'm not certain how it's going to go, but I'm going to get to see my girls tomorrow. We haven't seen each other for a while.
It is Tuesday and I am at work. I'm telling you that this week is going to be on the, kind of boring. But the mold is holding up. This is from Sunday. And my touch round her back with little of the mousse. Lord of mercy, I'm feeling today. I'm feeling it. Yeah. I saw lunchtime. I'm very hungry. So I don't know where we're going to get lunch. But I'm seeing my girls for the first time since last month. So almost 1 month, if it not past 1 month. But soon show them.
And here are the girls today. Our first link up since, and even link up good since May last month. Fix up, baby. Fix up, yeah. Nanda, you're not sick. We're not sick. Yeah, Nanda, right there, so. Yeah, right there, so. Yeah, Nanda, for like.
Hello, lovers! We are about to get firstly some lunch, and then we're going to get some flowers because a place that I've been checking out ever since I know about them, but I haven't checked in the last few months because they disappoint me every time. They're finally getting flowers, so we are going to buy some flowers. I'm going to get sunflowers for the first time. I may not get to show it. Well, probably do. Lord God, you don't know if it come out. In the lane up the car, my dear. And we are going in now. I sit down in front of Juicy and eat my food at the same time. One party, one cook, but it tastes nice to see, hold on. You know, say, in there full of, I don't love that for me. I hope to God say, well, I'm sure. There we go. Miss, me can catch a fire. I don't want some flowers. I want the pretty one here. I need this for my. You have green? Green these. It's just white.
So what we have green is the leather leaf and the roscoes that we have.
Oh my god.
So the leather leaf is.
No, me, I will tell you what I want because I spoke to her yesterday.
Oh, you were here yesterday?
Hello, the young lady, patient, you know, people. You know, for me in here.
Two sunflower. Two sunflower.
Yeah.
And we are about to put together our flowers. So let me show you what I got. I think you would have seen it earlier. This is going into my room. These will be split for the breakfast table and the office. And these will be going in the kitchen. Alright, we could put it together. But we're not going to talk, just listen to some music. I'm actually very, very tired, so I'm going to floss, brush my teeth. That's not cute. I don't want to vlog that. And then we're going to do what? We're going to good night. Bye. See you in the next video.